Hi, my name is Miriam, and I'm going to be solving Assessment Problem 3 Printing Service. Our scenario, Printco offers a printing plan that costs $15 up to 100 pages printed per month. If you print more than 100 pages, the cost is 10 cents per additional page. Our first question is asking us what 80 pages, our monthly bill would be for 80 pages. So we can solve this by simply looking at the question. Our monthly bill, it's a monthly bill, and it's up to 100 pages, but there's only additional cost if we go over 100 pages. So our price will stay $15. For our next question is asking us what our monthly bill would be for 130 pages. This of course goes over the limit of 100 pages, and our additional pages is 30. And we already know that it's gonna be 10 cents per edition say, so we just multiply 30 pages by 10 cents. That's gonna be $3 to add to the monthly bill, and we already know the monthly bill is initially 15, and we add the 3 additional dollars for the 30 pages. It's gonna be 18. Our monthly bill is gonna be $18. Our third question, C, is asking us to graph it. We're first gonna identify variables. F of x is gonna be the monthly payment, and the x-axis is gonna be the pages printed, the number of pages printed. So we're gonna just draw that. So I drew the monthly bill, the monthly money, and the pages printed. We're gonna mainly focus on the $15 and the 100 pages that we started off with, and it's gonna be a monthly bill, so it's gonna be constant at whatever amount of pages you decide to buy at that range. But as we know, it increases by 10 cents, so it's just gonna increase, something like that. For question D, we're gonna be writing a piecewise function. First, we have to remember what we're doing with $15 for 100 pages, and any more pages, and 10 cents per additional page. We can say that the f of x, once again, is going to be, instead we're going to use the c as the cost and x as the number of pages printed. So let's write this like that and start off our piecewise function and have our little c of x and domain, so we'll forget comma. We're going to start off with what was initial $15, and between 0 and x printed pages 100. Next is gonna be our next rule, which is the 10 cents. So it's gonna add it, so it's $15 plus 10 cents. It's gonna be 10 cents, and it will be multiplied by any additional pages subtracted by the 100 first pages. And for our next domain is anything more than 100, because you can't have negative numbers in the domain, and that's gonna be our piecewise function. For our next question, last question, is asking us what 220 pages would cost us. We can now put the piecewise function to use and use this. So we already know 15 plus 0.010, 10 cents, and 200 pages subtracted by the normal amount, and we solve this. I'm gonna have 12 So then we're gonna multiply 0.10, still add the 15. And we're gonna first do this. I almost forgot, it says 200 pages. And we're gonna do this first. That's gonna be $12 plus the initial cost. So the total for a monthly bill for 220 pages is gonna be $27.